What material is commonly used for overhead power transmission lines? B. Aluminum. What is the typical voltage level for high-voltage transmission lines in the USA? B. 230 kV. What type of transformer is used to connect different voltage levels in a substation? C. Autotransformer. What is the main function of a tap changer in a transformer? A. Adjust the voltage ratio. What component is used to control the flow of electricity in power transmission lines? C. Relay. What is the typical voltage level for medium voltage distribution lines in the USA? B. 34.5 kV. What is the typical insulation type used in high voltage underground cables in the USA? A. XLPE cross-linked polyethylene.